Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ren. So if you own a Tesla and you have the stock Aero Wheel Covers, chances are you want a better look but without having to spend a lot of money on brand new rims. Well, there's no need to buy actual rims because for under $300 you can change the look of your Model 3 and still retain your car's efficiency on the road. Now, after coming across the Bearded Tesla Guy's video on YouTube on these same covers, I wanted to try it out for myself and give you guys a review and my first impressions. So in this video, we'll be going over these Überturbine covers, installing them, and giving you guys my honest review because they didn't send this out to me. I actually purchased this out for myself. So let's get right into it. We're gonna go ahead and install this now. It's super hot out right now. Got sunblock though, so we're good. But let's go ahead and install these rims. So it came in a really weird box. I think it came from China, so it got all beat up. So this is like how it looks. So packaging wise, it's alright. Came with a couple covers here. This one I actually had to buy separately. These are the center caps. The original ones that came with this package are clear ones, but I kind of wanted the one with the Tesla logo, so I actually bought these separately, and I'll link it in the description. We have the wheel covers here. So another thing is to bring some gloves. That way you don't get all dirty and then come back into your car. So to remove the Aero Wheel Covers, this is all brand new to me, so this is gonna be my first time. But judging from the videos that I've seen on YouTube, it should be pretty easy. So what you're gonna wanna do is grab this handle here and then get the tire and then just pull, just like that. And then just work your way around. There you go. Probably a good idea to keep these in the box. You're gonna want to find that valve where the valve hole is. Align it right there. Then, boom. And now you have your wheels. All right, so to complete the look, we have the center cap. Once you take the adhesive, you got this nice matte black Tesla. There and there. And there you go. It's tied in there. Fold that in just a little bit for a couple seconds. Hold that. Boom. That's it. So overall, application was really easy. It takes about 20 minutes roughly just to do everything and then putting the center caps on. But next time, don't do it in the hot sun like me. But anyways, yeah, it was really easy to do. I think it adds a lot to the look of the car because with the Aero Wheel Covers, I just don't like the look of it. And with these ones, they just make the car look a little bit more sporty and clean. So with that, that's how you install the Uberturbine covers. I'm so happy with how these turned out. The fit looks great and I'm impressed with their OEM-like appearance. They not only look sleek, but of course it does provide an added layer of protection and keeps my stock Aero Wheel Covers looking good. Also, I can beat these up and not have to worry since I can just buy brand new ones. For under $300, you can't go wrong with this setup. Now I know that some Model 3 Performance owners are probably gonna roast me, but I really love the look of the Performance wheels, so these were a great alternative. Now, if you're looking to enhance the look of your Tesla without breaking the bank, then these are a really good option. And that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to see more Tesla content or tech content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. But otherwise, I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.